LEGO is reportedly developing its next game console set, and it could be based on the original PlayStation. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech and gaming updates. PlayStation is about to join LEGO's growing catalog of bricked consoles, which includes the Nintendo Entertainment System, Atari 26,000, and Game Boy. Nintendo has also produced a couple of PlayStation property-themed sets based on the Horizon Zero Dawn series, and there's also the LEGO Horizon Adventures game. All of them support Sony and LEGO collaborating more on sets. These leaks are coming from LEGO Minecraft GOAT, which has a solid track record of accurately revealing release dates, prices, and general information on unannounced sets early. So there's reason to believe the claims that a LEGO PlayStation is indeed on the way. It's said to be a full-size machine with a set boasting at least the console itself and one controller created using 1,911 bricks at a price of an estimated $159.99. This will make it a little smaller than the 2,532-piece Atari and 2,642-piece NES, but much larger than the 421-brick Game Boy. The details were shared on Minecraft GOAT's Instagram with a note that it's scheduled for December retail release. This can make this perfect as a Christmas gift for the gamer in your life. As with previous releases, LEGO can add some Easter eggs based on PlayStation classics like Metal Gear Solid, Crash Bandicoot, Spyro the Dragon, Final Fantasy VII, and Resident Evil. Fans on social media are already speculating what the set might look like in person, wondering if the disc tray lid will pop open or if this could open the way for more PlayStation collabs. But to see what Sony and LEGO have up their sleeves, we'll have to wait till December. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.